Hi, I'm Creasy Woodard. I am a senior here at USC Aiken through Palmetto College, which means I live in Sumter, South Carolina. And I guess a unique fact about me is that I am a non-traditional student, which means I am 42 years old and I have a husband and children. Um, Our oldest son, Aiden, is 16, and our youngest son, Ian, is 12. Another unique fact about our family is that Ian is on the autism spectrum. He is a fun guy, and along with Aiden, they and my husband, they all keep me very busy. Um, and right now is especially interesting because my boys are essentially being homeschooled by me now due to the COVID-19 uh, stuff that is happening. And for safety concerns, our school district has pretty much closed down, and all of our students are doing home-based learning. So it's been a fun and interesting time trying to juggle their assignments along with mine and keeping up to speed with everything with their teachers. So yeah, it's an interesting time. And it's also interesting because I am not with my practicum placement, which I can tell you, you guys, I absolutely love this practicum. I am in a classroom that serves students on the autism spectrum from kindergarten to third grade, and I absolutely love it. I have been in practicum placements in middle school and in high school, and I've been in another elementary school and in a resource placement, but I have to share with you that this by far is my favorite. And um, I'll tell you a little bit more about our placement. Recently, we had what's called Club 219, and it is a celebration of inclusion, and it's pretty much like an all-day dance marathon party. They transformed our classroom into what was pretty much like a dance hall or party area. I don't know how to explain it, but we had a DJ, we had lots of music, we had party hats, and we had lots of lights and strobes and things, and it was a lot of fun for all of our students because other classrooms rotated throughout our class throughout the day, and it was just a lot of fun. And our kids were tired at the end of the day. I could really tell. I mean, we were tired too, but oh, you guys, it was so much fun. And I really do believe that this is my ideal uh, dream job placement that I can see myself teaching in the future. I really do love this classroom, and these students are so much fun. And the teacher and the parapros, they have such a great thing going. They've got such a great team, and it really shows the respect and all that they have for each other. So yeah, that's what I have for you, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.